오스모.
Hi, I'm Jared. I'm from Hawaii, and I'm with HEROTOWN. And today, we're gonna review the difference between the Osmo2 and the Osmo3. The Osmo is manufactured by Dji, and the idea is that you put your phone here, and you can use it and create those really professional videos that you always see on YouTube. Now, one of the major differences I want to point out here is the size. The Osmo2 does not fold out, whereas this is the Osmo3. The other thing I want to point out is that with the Osmo2, your camera orientation is locked when you're filming. In order to change your camera orientation, you need to unscrew this, turn it like so, and then re-screw it so that your phone doesn't decide to turn around again. And then now you're in landscape mode because it films like this. I personally have a bias for the Osmo3 because it has this trigger button. You'll know that the trigger button, if you press and hold it, it'll lock the camera orientation. Meaning, your phone is like this, and you're holding the trigger button, it won't move regardless of which way you turn until you reach the limit. Osmo 2 requires the DJI Go app. The Osmo 3, on the other hand, uses a separate app called DJI Mimo. Unlike DJI Go, DJI Mimo actually allows you to create videos within the app. It has a storyboard feature, and what it allows you to do is film a bunch of takes. After you finish filming all the takes, it'll stitch them all together. You can insert your own transitions and make it look really professional. It's really cool, trust me. So now, let's go test these out and see which one is really better.
Hi, we're here outside now to actually try these.
Yeah. Hi.
And there's Jared. I'm filming him with my camera.
수고.
I'm not gonna run.
스포츠 모드 익생. 수고. 하야. This Osmo 3 is better than Osmo 2 because it's all time when I learn alone, but every time it's focused on me. Every time.
I think this one's more unpredictable and a bit heavier. That one feels more stable.
M double tap. M double tap.
Oh. Oh, no.
No. Ooh.
Okay. Oh, no.
I got you. Cheers. Cheers. I got you. Anytime, any moment, anywhere. What do we have here?
I gave up. It's not working. Whenever I try to track something, again, it goes nuts. Like your hands. And testing the back button, which is supposed to be real cool. That is cool. The image never moves. Like a little bit, because nothing's perfect, but this is so cool.
Story time.
Story time. We were on video, and now we're gonna go to story. Do you see? We can choose a story. Leisure, fashion. I'm going to choose cut. And we're just gonna film something random. See if the gesture control works. Oh yeah, it works.
Whoa, that is so cool.
And the other one. Oh. Works.
Works.
That's really practical. For you to like take pictures of other people without having to touch stuff. Yeah, found me.
Oh,
Hello. This is hilarious.
Okay, this was our review, our try to use the Osmo 2 and 3. The 2 was pretty good, but the 3 is better.
Much better.
Much better. A lot more stable. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Bye.